see my slides?
Yes, we can. Please carry on.
Okay. It's my great honor. It's my great honor to present a new device made in China to all of our friends in India, in Asia, in the meeting. And first, congratulations to all of friends in India. This is a great meeting. I hope the meeting can stronger our collaboration in congenital heart disease. My topic is oxide film single rivet atrial septal defect occluder experience of Peking Union Medical College Hospital. You are welcome to visit our hospital after COVID-19, the pandemic. I'm Zhicheng Jing, and I'm the head of Department of Cardiology from Peking Union Medical College Hospital. The challenge of interventional therapy for congenital heart disease still keep a very big burden, especially in their developing countries, especially in endocongenital heart disease. Although the success rate and efficacy of occluder implantation for congenital heart disease have been confirmed by our community, but some long-term complications are rejection due to a metal precipitation, occluder surface thrombosis, and incomplete industrialization. So the factors influencing headache after occluder implantation, for example, poor molding after occluder implantation, resulting in increasing the thickness of the umbrella, is the main cause of post-operative headache. So the diversity of clinical needs place high demands on occluder device, how to ensure good molding, and how to reduce nickeling precipitation, how to accelerate industrialization. After many years innovation research, the membrane oxide film single rivet atrial septal defect occluder are developed by a Shanghai shape memory alloy and some cardiologists and scientists in China. So the product is oxide film single rivet atrial septal defect occluder. Now we have a ventricular septal defect occluder and the PDA device. The product officially obtained the medical device registration certificate of the People's Republic of China. So you can see the picture of the device. The design is a dual optimization, innovative domestic congenital heart disease occluder with independent intellectual property rights by our government. So you can see the patent number, and this is the picture. We can see the oxide film single rivet ASD occluder. So the core patent technology is the Tura ceremonium shape, like this, a very beautiful flower knitting process. So the left disc surface uses a 3-layer pattern, superposition process to ensure the stability of the occluder structure and the original performance. And we can see the difference between the dual rivet and the oxide film single rivet atrial septal defect occluder. We can see after operation 1 month, on the left side of the disc, the tissue coverage on the surface of the occluder was intact, and the surrounding tissue of the disc was fused with the surrounding tissues. After 3 months, the surface tissue of the occluder was significantly thickened on the left disc surface, and the color changed from radiolucent to white. And another very good point, the single rate design can reduce cardiac load, more significant cardiac benefit in young children. So we can see the device can have 25% weight reduction compared to the dual rivet, and height reduction in 4 millimeter to reduce intracardiac volume percentage. And the new device can reduce 46% average decrease the percentage of nickel lung precipitation. So we can see the oxide film, the difference between the untreated Y section, the treated Y section. So in the oxide film, more uniform, dense, continuous. So I show you the pre-marketing clinical trial results. 6 months occluder success rate is 98%, 122, and 100% technique success rate, and the major complicated rate 0. So very safety and very comfortable for an interventional cardiologist. So the specification, the model of single rivet atrial septal defect occluder with oxide film is complete 27 models specifications with a wider application range. This is the design picture for your reference. And the trunker occluder is suitable for cardiac MR. It is recommended that the patients undergo the MR scan with a static magnetic field of 1.5 T or 3 T. No problem, very safety. So the post-marketing clinical application in China, almost 1,000 cases, actually and up to my knowledge, till the last month, about 2,000 cases in China. So the summary of final completed occluder specifications by the end of this September, the amplification success rates of all models was 100%. All models were well formed after amplification without residual shunts. You can see these pictures, the models. So it will take me 3 or 5 minutes to share our hospital's experience on the single rivet occluder in my hospital. And these kids, after we do the left atrial appendage closure, we use the new device occluded the atrial septal defect. And another 57 years old ladies, just 5 to 6 size ASD. We use the occluder size is 12. You can see. This is a 39 years old male patient. 13. The size of ASD is 13. We use 22. This is 63 years old male patient with ASD. The size of ASD is 19. We use the occluder is 26. A little bit larger than the double dual rivet, because the supporting of the new device is a little bit softer than the dual rivet device. So this is a 27 years old female patient, only 6 the size of ASD. We use 12 occluder to occlude their ASD. This is 26 years old. The size of atrial septal defect is from 11 to 18. The occluder size is 30. This is 32 years old female patient. We use 32 occluder to treat their ASD, about 22. So thank you very much.